Hey everybody, it's Stef. Evening Skies Reflections. I thought I'd point the camera outwards so you guys can see maybe the activity of the birds. That all red-headed neck bird, woodpecker, it's right over there on that tree. But he'll be back. He'll be back over here in a minute. And then I just saw a cardinal take a bath in my water I got out there for them. It was so cool. There's one of the woodpeckers. That's the orange head one. I call him the orange head because the other one is so red. I don't know if you can see him. The other one's watching him. There goes two doves. And the other one's over there on the tree. Just watching. Can't get him on the camera. Too high up. Very windy. We got a lot of trees down out there. Not going out there right now and messing with them because I don't want to get hit in the head. But yeah, there's a little bit windy. Not as bad in some places. Not as bad here as it is in some places. So anyways, let me light a smudge. Let me light my been at the doctor's all day with my friend. Almost was at the hospital last night. Give it a little smudge. I'll light my lapis lazuli candle that I made, and we got the sage going. I seriously, that woodpecker's sitting right there looking at me in the tree, or looking at the food, but it looks like he's looking at me. He's so beautiful. He looks like he's got a cardinal head, crow wings, or a penguin body, you know, like a tuxedo, white and black, and his head is and his head and neck is completely red. Never seen a woodpecker like that before. I hope he comes over while I'm videotaping, because I'll eventually move the camera down to the table, but I just wanted to see what would pop out, come out for you guys. I am going to, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. To be honest with you, I had that dream, Archangel Michael. Do I know if it was him for sure? No, but I wasn't afraid, and I wasn't, I don't know. I don't know if it was or not, but I do know the message in that is that I felt was that you never know if you're sitting next to an angel or you're talking with an angel, because they're showing up here, but they're in our form. That's what I got from that dream. And I was doing a little bit of background stuff on Archangel Michael and certain things that you would see, like the dog, the dog star or something like that. It's where the sun is shining from the sides of the sun. And then I can't remember the name of it, but I did write it down. I don't know. I got too many notebooks, guys. I know I read somewhere about he represents protection and to protect Earth's sacred ground. He unifies heaven and earth. What else I wrote? I got too many notebooks. I just start writing. I don't think about it. I just start writing, and that's it. So, see, there's a dove in the swimming pool, and my fountain's going. That's funny. The dove's gonna get in there and take a bath. Both doves are over there by that. That's funny. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Aww. 2 doves. I got rocks in there and stuff, so it's not like they can drown or anything. And it's not very full. That's so cool. I wish you guys could see all the way over there. Oh, something made them fly away. This is my other woodpecker here. He's my normal visitor. And then the light red-headed one is the female. This is the male. Let's see if I can get that pool in, because that was so cool. Anyways, I don't know. I just wanted to get on here and chit-chat a little bit and just do some bird watching with you, and it's crazy. It's like it's mesmerizing. I love my little bird haven I got over here. And I'm not done. I got more stuff to put out there. Eventually, little by little. I've been trying to use stuff that's on the property, trying to DIY stuff. Some works, some doesn't. See the dove on the pool? I don't know if you can see that because of the sun. A little bit of the sun is starting to shine through. That is so cool. Come on, you can do it. Go by the fountain part. You can do it. There's rocks and everything in there. There's like 3 doves. One chases one away. I don't know what's going on. So this new woodpecker that showed up, I was very curious about him, and I'm used to the other one coming here. He's been coming here for a while, but this new one, I've never seen one like him. He mesmerizes me. I was hoping he'd show up while we were on camera, but I don't know if he will or not. So I am going. I have no title for this. I just know that it's a reading. I think, I can't tell if that's the male or the female. I think that's the male. Can't tell. I know the female has less red on her head, I think. Beautiful. That one bird feeder that's hanging in, I made that. I used the old cat water and food bowl and an old thing that used to hold knives, the wood thing that used to hold knives. I just flipped it on its side and I put the bowl in there. I put a little bungee around it so it won't move, and then put it in one of the macrame holders, flower pot holder, and then I put a plate on the top of it, and I used hot glue underneath so it won't leak. And you know that I checked that food this morning, and then it was pouring last night. I had to put holes in that bowl so that no water would sit in there. So I don't know the food feels dry, completely dry. Weirdest thing. And I know the rain can get into it. That plate's not that big that I put on top of it, but it gives the birds shade. And I got an umbrella on zip tied over there by the hummingbird one, so the water their food don't get diluted, and they can eat, drink in the rain and without sitting there in the rain. I know, it's crazy. If I could put a big one up here, I would, but I don't think the woodpeckers would come if I put a big umbrella on this one. Alright, I don't have a title for this. I really don't. I don't even know if I'll be able to upload it, because my with these storms, the uploading like 23 hours for one video. I'm not, and we're on satellite. We don't have regular internet and cable out here. We have to have satellite out here, and it sucks. But I'm not complaining. It could be worse. Just have to wait till things go back to normal and start putting my readings back out there. I'm sorry, guys. Not my fault. Not in my control. Kayla Fruma. What is the message? For the collective. Wow. That flew out, and one flipped over, and I know exactly which one flipped over. I can feel it. The one that flew out was fire, ether, life, fjorth. Look at that ruin. The fairy cosmic wormhole heightens ancient dragon beams, intensifying sensory chimera codes that sweep down, bleed down, feed around the entire being, burnishing back delusions and deceits. Sacred fires bind to you, weaving new knowledge between yourselves through yourselves, igniting and relighting the life that felt lost. The dragon's breath fuels and drives and delivers sacred enlightenment. Can't see it still, huh? Sacred enlightenment. Just take that in, and that's beautiful. Number 30. The one that flipped, I knew it. I seen it when I was shuffling and everything. It kept showing itself. 9. Shadows, nutrients. The war ruin, the fear ruin, tune, the battle hymn, the grim song sung too long, the war of one to be one alone. In our shadows, we hold the bloody ravens fast, whisper a fresh melody in the silence, murder our crows and grow stronger. Hagen's golden key of life. I can't really say this is my favorite card in the deck. Most of them are. But this one, definitely a lot of shadow work with the skull on it and the ruin going into one eye like a sword. Hold on, let me put you on pause because I don't want to. Sorry about that. We're letting the dogs in. I keep going off into a daze, like I'm staring into another, past everything outside, just somewhere else, like a daze. Anyways, so we got, I don't know if you can see that. I can't get my lighting right in here, guys. I don't know why. I just can't. So it's talking about finding a new song, going at it alone, probably doing some shadow work. I mean shadows, of course, but nutrients. Stay grounded. Because out of the shadow comes the sacred enlightenment. Really, really cool. I like them two cards together. This is going to be a very long video because I'm just taking my time and letting stuff come in, and just kind of a relaxed video, you know. Some might like it, some might not. You know, it is what it is. So it's talking about being alone on this road sometimes, going through the shadows to find the new song and the golden key of life, and then into the fire ether life for sacred enlightenment. And we got 10 and 30. So you got 1030. That's pretty cool. So, because it talks about it's talking about on this card, I wish I could, there you go. A grim song sung too long. The war of one to be won alone. The war within yourself, in your mind, to be won alone. So, one, the war of one, number one, to be won, like a winner, one, alone. In our shadows, we come out of the fear. We come out of the always wanting to be at war with ourselves. That's what I get from this card every time this card comes up. And then this one's pretty cool. I really like this one. Fire, Ether, Life. I like this because it talks a lot about igniting and relighting the life that felt lost. And I'm sure you can relate to that. I have been in and out of spirituality my whole life. And I've even tried so many different churches at a young age too. I just been in and out. And now I'm in the, where we're burnishing back delusions and deceits. We're seeing clearly now. We're seeing the truth now. And if I could find that paper it said about Archangel Michael, it said something about him showing clarity, seeing through illusions. Oh my gosh, I wish I could find what I wrote. I can't find it, so it's not meant to be. Because I tried to do an Archangel Michael reading yesterday, and I could not. It was either my camera was going in and out because my Wi-Fi, and the storm, and then the interruptions, and then my phone ringing off the hook, and it was just crazy. So I'm gonna pick In the Lonely Woods because for the shadow card. By Rebecca Campbell, I think. I got a recipe to make them logs and bricks that the woodpeckers gnaw on, with raisins and cranberries. I bought everything to make it. I just need the bird seed, and I gotta wait until next month for that. But because I am all out. Okay, for the shadow card, Spirit, for the shadow card. Okay. Hope is like a hummingbird. And you know I got my hummingbird cards out too. That is funny. Oh, there's a blue jay on the pool now. Oh, I wish you could see that far over. It's close to me, but for some reason my camera... Oh, the hummingbird's in the pool. That's so cool. Oh, I wish you guys could see that closer. He's on the pool. He's not in it. But there he goes. Hope is like a hummingbird. And I am going to look in the book. Maybe not. Hope is like a hummingbird. Number 4. I love her writing. It's just one little paragraph, but I love the way she writes. Hope will come to you again, and just when you feel most heavy, most joyless, know that the miracle will occur. Like a hummingbird, it will come small and weightless, bringing back the joy of living and the lightness of being. Soon you will savor the sweetness of life, and whenever negativity creeps in whatever form it comes, it will be transformed. Love shall come in a simple task of life, and gratitude will flow from your heart. Like the hummingbird, you may feel small, but you are capable of the most amazing feats. Your ability to change, adapt, and recreate your own life now grows strong, and you come to respect your resilience. I cannot say that. Your playful nature, your natural optimism. All these treasures return light as the hummingbird, sweet as the nectar of flowers. Oh, I just love, she could write poetry. Lucy Cavendish is her name. I love the way she writes. Now, that is definitely talking about being in these shadows and letting go of the negativity and the war within oneself, and moving on to the fire, the sacred enlightenment. Because it's lonely. When you're on the spiritual road, I don't know, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. It gets dark. It gets lonely. You separate yourself away from people as much as you can, because it's just, the energies are so much. And then you got to work on yourself, and you don't want to deal with other people's energies because you have to deal with your own. And it's just, whew. Wow, on the bottom of the deck, I am definitely looking at this one. The ending that opens the space for the beginning. The ending that opens the space for the beginning. Wow. I wasn't going to get another card. And then here we got, there are others like you. There are others like you. You are not alone. Your inner light will guide you. Your inner light will guide you. Fire, ether, life, your inner light will guide you out of this darkness, out of this loneliness. Let's see, how can I get that on there right? Okay, I can't. So that's how I got it. You're out of this darkness, out of this shadow work. You will be guided into your enlightenment. Your inner light will guide you. Your fire inside you will guide you. Wow. The ending that opens the space for the beginning. You finally came to that place after so much grief and denial that it would be better for you to let go than to continue to hold on. And so you did. You watched it leave. It never once looked back at you or returned to your hands. Then you began to find a way back to self. You lost when all your energy was poured into the need to stay connected. A beginning, it is on its way, made more magical and beautiful because you made space for it. The self that held on so tight had no space to receive. See, that's what we do. We hold on to things so tight that we don't leave space to receive. The self that held on so tight had no space to receive. Now you know that when you let go, space is made, and into that space we walk the wonder. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So releasing all that fear, all that war, all that anger, all that stuff, lights that fire for your inner light to guide you. See? Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Didn't expect that, but that's beautiful. And there are others like you. So you never should feel like you're the weird one out in the bunch or anything like that. That's beautiful. Hope is like a hummingbird. This is beautiful. I am just like stoked with this. This is so cool. Gotta keep hope, man. Gotta keep it. Okay, I'm gonna put these down. Maybe you can see the cards. If I can get my camera to stay. So, I know. Wow, I just don't even have words right now. This is just so beautiful. And for you, those of you that couldn't see this card, there are others like you. I love these cards too. That's beautiful. The ending that opens the space for the beginning. So what you're getting rid of, what you're working on, what you're letting go, it's making space for you to receive the light, the fire, the ether of life, the sacred enlightenment. And your inner light will guide you the rest of the way. It will guide you. Your inner light will guide you. Look at this. Look how the colors of these two cards. Your inner light will guide you. That fire, that ether of life, Fjorth, will guide you. Wow. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. I mean, how can it not be beautiful? That's beautiful. I am just like, whoo. I did have hummingbird cards out, and I did not know why, because I haven't used them in a long time. I know, I see you, woodpecker. Hope is like a hummingbird. Just when you're least expecting it. Just when you're least expecting it. Come on, stay up. It's gonna fly in mighty and small. Oh my goodness gracious. This don't want to work, guys. Let me get this out of my way so don't watch it fall when I shuffle the cards or shut off. Okay, we'll get hummingbird cards. This is really beautiful. I love them two Afroma cards, the two ruins that came out with this message, for this message. Because I didn't know what I was I got a crow out there now yelling. I didn't know what I was see that crow sitting on the fence right there? just yelling away. Can't hear him because I got the window shut, but he's just a crowing right now. Oh my goodness, I gotta get a new. He's sitting right there. He goes. I don't know. Okay. Bird's eye view. Really? How fitting is that? Bird's eye view. Fly high and observe from above. Here you'll find a new perspective, greater understanding and compassion. Bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Bottom of the deck. Fly with faith. Trust your sturdy wings and know that the universe is working its magic on your behalf. Wow. I'll show them to you after. Fly with faith. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Listen to the call. Spirit is singing sweet words of wisdom. Be still and listen. This is bird's eye view. Fly with faith. Trying to make room here for you for these cards. Oh wow. And then Spirit is singing sweet words of wisdom. Be still and listen. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, you can see it. Can you see it there? Look how pretty that is. That is where you get your hope. Observe, be still and listen. Observe with the bird's eye view. Be still and listen, and then fly with faith. Hope is like the hummingbird. Wow. So, I guess the message is that we have to observe, be still, quiet them voices, release them to the ethers. Wow. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable to me. So just give me a second. I just want to look and see if I missed anything. The ending that opens space for the beginning. Wow. That is... Wow, I just, all I keep saying is, wow, this is just great healing. Great finding yourself. And Spirit's letting you know how to do this. Walking you through it. This is how you do this. Very simple. Hard because we're always in our heads. It's hard because it's hard for us to get out of our heads. It's got a rabbit, a butterfly, music notes, another hummingbird there. There's a clock on here. Divine timing is what I just heard. Divine timing. Be patient. It's not going to happen overnight. Nothing happens overnight. Unless you win the lottery or something like that. But we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about letting go so we can receive what's ours, what's coming to us. Trusting our inner light, our fire to guide us. Keeping that hope alive. Flying with faith. Listen to the call. Wow, being an observer. New perspective. Greater understanding. We cannot receive that if we don't release the negative, the stuff that doesn't, that stops us from going on our path, that leads us down a wrong path or leads us down something else, somewhere else. Wow, this is so beautiful. Well, this is for the collective for sure. This is definitely for the collective. I'm going to grab a couple angel cards. Also, a couple crystal cards, and then I'm going to let you get off here because really there's not really much more to say. Wow, wow, wow. Wowza. Wowza. Okay, Spirit. Angels. I should have I'll put a timestamp on there when I started drawing the cards, because I know not everybody likes birds or likes to be on here long. So, wow, that took a minute to come out, didn't it? Archangel Sanophon and Archangel Michael. Wow. Pretty, 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 pretty. My life, Archangel Sanophon. My life is dynamic and full of vibrant energy. I am full of vigor and I am authentic and loyal. I confidently show my true colors to others. It is fabulous feeling to be all that I can be. I am full of life, enhancing joy and goodness. Sanophon. And the stone for him, wow, that's pretty. Peacock Copper. Are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of the source of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. Your inner light will guide you. Fire, ether, life. Shine that light brightly. Here's the stone. How pretty is that? Archangel Michael, I am always safe and protected. My business is a great success and endures all economic cycles with ease. It is easy for me to remove obstacles from my path. I am able to handle challenges. Now, I don't know what these are supposed to be on the back with these archangels. I guess these are something that you have to say or something. I don't know. But the stone is black onyx. That's black onyx, I think. Are you trying to reach a goal and keep getting pulled off course? Maintain your focus. Identify and release distractions. Release distractions. Didn't this card say bird's eye view, observing, listen, be still? Identify, release. Release. The ending and... Release distractions, keeping you from moving forward. Visualize your future. Know that you can easily work through any issues that may arise. Success is yours. Wow. All right. Michael made an appearance, right? Do a couple of these little angel cards and then I'm going to let you get off here. Again, I'm going to timestamp when I started the reading. I always have plans to use certain decks and Spirit always changes it up on me. But I'm glad he did because this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I mean, take it how it resonates for you. You know? Let's get a couple little angel messages. Wow. Compassion. Didn't we have a hummingbird card that's like right there? Bird's eye view. Fly high, observe from above. Here you will find new perspective, greater understanding, and compassion. Compassion. These are my angel cards. Dearest one, be compassionate towards yourself. See? Towards yourself. Surrender the self-criticism. Wow. This is hard. Surrender to the self-criticism and fear that has you believing you need to improve in order to be worthy. You are perfect just as you are. The only thing that needs to change is your perception. Oh my God, perception. You will come to realize the jewel you are when you love and honor yourself as you are. If any of you want to screenshot that, there you go. Look, compassion, perspective, fear, gratitude. Gratitude, I read that on somewhere. I don't know, maybe I channeled it, I don't remember. Gratitude. Thank you. This is the heartfelt thanks to you from someone you recently helped to show, for someone you recently helped in some way. I, your guardian angel, always wish to thank you for the unconditional love and emanate to the earth, humanity, and those around you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are eternally blessed. May peace, grace, and love forever guide you along your sacred path. Wow. Okay. That's just freaky now. That's just freaky now. Believe. Be open to all possibilities and opportunities. Let go of preconceived ideas. See, that's what this message is telling you. You have to have a new perspective. You have to see things in a different light. You have to uncondition yourself, you know. Let go of preconceived ideas. There is nothing to fear. Fear is always an illusion. It's in your head. We were conditioned to fear from the day we were born. Start to believe in yourself and trust your instincts and your inner light. Wondrous possibilities and opportunities abound, provided you are flexible and retain an open heart and mind and believe all is possible. Wow. Couldn't have ended it on a better note. This is just beautiful. I'm telling you what, man. I got no words for this reading. This reading was on point. On point. Wow. I know you can't see these two cards. Nope. I don't know where to put them. Right here. Still can't see them. Well. It's peacock, copper, and black onyx. Sorry about the light glaring on it. I don't know. It is what it is. Alright, guys. I love you. Thank you for being patient with me. I hope you enjoyed the little bird show I had going on out here. And I will timestamp when the cards started coming out. Okay? I love you guys. Be kind to one another and especially to yourself. You can get through this because you have the universe helping you. God's helping you. The angels are helping. Your guides. The birds. Everything. Just connect to everything. Positive thoughts. Positive thoughts. I love you guys. Love and light. See you later. Bye.